Welcome to our presentation on understanding fire alarm circuit styles. Today, we'll explore the different types of circuits used in fire alarm systems and their unique characteristics. Fire alarm circuits are essential for ensuring safety and reliability. There are two key types: initiating device circuits, IDCs, and notification appliance circuits, NACs. These circuits define fault tolerance and supervision, crucial for effective fire alarm systems. Let's delve into the basics of IDC and NAC circuit styles. Class B circuits are one-way with no fault isolation, while Class A circuits offer a loop with a redundant path, providing fault isolation for enhanced reliability. Style B circuits connect devices in parallel on a single wire path. An open or short circuit results in the loss of devices past the fault. These circuits are supervised for open circuits and are the most common and cost-effective option. Style A circuits operate on a loop, providing an out and return path. Faults are isolated between devices, maintaining operation and improving survivability. However, they require more wire and programming, offering enhanced reliability. Here's a summary table comparing different circuit styles. It highlights the path, fault isolation, and survivability of each style, helping you choose the right circuit for your needs. Choosing the right circuit style depends on your system's requirements. Style B4 is ideal for small, simple systems on a budget. Style A6 suits larger systems needing higher reliability, while Style 7 is perfect for critical applications like hospitals and high-rises. For further guidance, refer to NFPA 72, 2022 edition, specifically Chapter 12 on circuits and pathways. Annexa provides diagrams and clarification to ensure compliance and understanding. We invite you to ask questions and discuss how each circuit style might apply to your projects. Your insights and queries are valuable for a deeper understanding of fire alarm systems. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, feel free to contact the Fire Alarm Guy at info@firealarmguy.net. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in fire alarm technology.